Hello, my beautiful viewers. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate a savvy and cost-effective way to replace a universal joint on any propeller shaft, saving you from the expense of buying a completely new assembly. Stick around till the end, and I'll guide you through the process of cutting out the damaged part and seamlessly replacing it with a locally available universal joint salvaged from other vehicles, possibly from the vibrant automotive hubs of Dubai or Japan. Universal joints are vital components of the propeller shaft, ensuring smooth transmission of power even at angled connections. Over time, wear and tear can compromise their functionality, but fear not, as I'm here to show you a practical solution. First things first, we'll carefully assess the damage, measuring precisely to ensure the replacement joint fits snugly into place. Then, with precision and expertise, we'll cut out the damaged portion and skillfully integrate the new joint into the shaft. This replacement process involves a bit of technical finesse, including welding and securing the new joint to restore the shaft's functionality. It's a testament to the resourcefulness of using salvaged parts to breathe new life into essential components without breaking the bank. Join me in this hands-on journey as we delve into the mechanics, demonstrating step-by-step how to rejuvenate your propeller shaft without the need for an expensive overhaul. By the end, you'll witness a seamless integration that'll get your vehicle back on the road in no time. So, stay tuned, and let's embark on this practical and empowering DIY adventure together.
Coi ta de kitu. Ala. Eno edirete ha. Eno edirete ko.
Raka.
Ota kaina ini.
Kona. Bakona. Kona ko gadi.
Sawa.
Gatire nyitire.
Fatio korosi gana eno.
Oguo. Ciganane.
50-50.
Ere. Todi tu kuota. Todi tu kuota. kũringana propera he propera ũngĩkora no nini gũkĩra ĩno
Yo.
ĩtaru ya caki nĩ ndaihu
Ĩ ndaihu. Ito yung universal joint. Ehe, ndena nginyira akayuma hakuhi.
ona rĩu ndũngĩmenya kana kauma kanyitwo we nona magũrũ nĩ mega warora nĩ kwega
Diso na. Diso sawa. Nyagarora. Oi, handå ha kå horia nginya na maä ebu ä yo ngå rå